Hi everyone. So this is a test that I want to make in order to show how to quickly heat up the grouphead of our machine without having to waste a lot of water. And this is very good, especially for machines like Europiccola, because of the very small tank. So you don't have to waste any drop of water. So basically it is something like pulling up the lever, and so the grouphead gets filled with steam, with very hot steam, and so you just stop before it starts dripping. So now, just to make a full test, I want to start this watch and switch the machine on. So see you within a few minutes. Cheers. It's building up pressure, and the grouphead, of course, is it's not cold, but it's not really hot. In fact, I can touch it without getting burned. And so let me check. 8 minutes and half elapsed. The ambient temperature is about 20 degrees, and the machine was completely full of water and completely cold. So it's at 0.75 right now. At about 0.8.85 it should stop, and I can show you this little trick that I promised to an Italian guy, Theo, from the Italian group. So the peak temperature has been reached, and there we go. And one more thing, it took 9 minutes to reach 0.8 bars. So this is the thing. I don't know if it's possible to see here the temp strip, so it's still cold, and now I pull up the lever, but I just stop before it starts dripping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's already 80 degrees. 6, 7. Okay, it has just reached 85 degrees. Just one more time, and the machine is ready to pull a shot. I want to show you better. Yeah, the temp strips, unfortunately, after a few months tend to fade off. So that's it. Let me know your feedback. Cheers.